Right then, I've been sent this one to unbox. Hello and welcome back to another episode of Stu's Reviews, and more importantly, the first episode where I'm going to take a look at lots of things that I've been sent and open them on camera, so you're getting a first reaction of me looking at the product. Now, I'm not going to review everything that comes out of these boxes, and that's because some of it just might not be suitable. It might have been sent to me and I've not asked for it. It might be something that I've not ordered. I don't know. It could be something that just is absolute and utter garbage. But this is a chance for you to see a little sneak peek into what might be coming over the next few weeks. And if you see anything you really want to see a review of in this pile of things, leave that in the comments below and I'll check that out and see which ones tend to be the more popular. So without further ado, let's get opening. The first thing I've got is from somebody. I don't know who because I've removed all the labels, so you can't stalk me. Let's have a look. Ooh! Okay, so this is the Zendure A2. Now, some of you remember me reviewing a Zendure battery before, and it was the larger one. I think it was the A8. Anyway, they say that the Zendure batteries are the strongest batteries in the world, and they showed a picture of the Zendure A8 or A6, whichever one it is, being run over by a car. So naturally, I had to try that. And in all fairness, it survived very, very well with a couple of scrapes, but it still worked afterwards. Now, this is a much smaller version. Unlike the other one, which can charge your phone many times, this can charge it about 3 times, I believe. But they say even though it's smaller, it's just as durable. So I'll be testing this out, probably, in a similar way to how I did the last one. Right, next I've got this big package, which is actually quite heavy. Oh my god, something just fell off the roof. Oh, that was scary. I don't know what that was, but it wasn't good. Okay, let's have a look in here. I've got a knife with me for this one, because all YouTubers need knives. And you know I usually use a samurai sword, but that was highly impractical last time I used that. So let's open this, there we are. Okay. Okay, I'm in business here. Oh god. This knife isn't that sharp. This is rubbish. Oh, okay, there seems to be more stuff in here. What's that? That's a cap. I've been sent a cap. Has someone seen my vlogs on my other channel and they've realised I need a cap to keep the sun off? It says Edico Successed. Jesus Christ. The premium sportsman goods. Exclusively. That is one of the worst things I've ever seen in my life. I'm going to give you a close-up of this. I have no... I'm going to wear it. This is awful. There's something else in here as well. What's that? What is this? Light control night light charger. What the hell is this? Okay, this appears to be some kind of light. That doesn't even work in the UK. Plug, positive, side. Right, hold on. I'm gonna have to plug this in. And that's an adapter. Oh, that's an adapter. Right, okay. Okay, that goes in there. It's going to kill me if I plug this in. I need someone to plug this in. No, that doesn't work. Well, that's rubbish, whatever that is. Okay, right, what else have we got? Because this package has been miserable so far. Okay. Oh, I think I know what this is. Let me see if I can show you. I don't know if this is going to be easy to show you. No, it's not going to be easy to show you. Basically, it's this. Oh my god, okay, I'm not going to show you that. That's silly. Let's try and show you this other one, this other bit. Aha! This should be a bit lighter. It's this. Oh! Now this is basically a kit that fits on your bicycle but turns it into a motorbike. So that should be fun to review. Feels good, but I can't exactly put that together now and show you. So I might save that one for another day. On to the next one. Right. Okay. Let's have a look what's inside here. Beyle. What is this? Beyle. Okay. What is a Beyle? That's the question. What is a Beyle? This is nice. Nice little bag. It's weird. Okay. What does this do? Ah! Now I've seen these online. These look a bit weird. I think I've seen to have broken it already. Hold on. What does that do? Right. So I've got that. There we are. Now these are supposed to be like a tablet computer holder, but you can open them up like this. So you can open it fully, rather than just opening them from the top. It opens like a sort of zigzag type shape, and then how does it zip up? That's the question. Oh, this is a bit weird. Okay, I think you do it like that. Ah, okay, alright. Alright, this is a bit weird. A bit unconventional. So it zips up like a figure of 8. And that should go. There we are. Ah. Okay, so then, there we are. What does that do? A little holder there. Okay, so that is now a little kind of casey type thing to fit a computer, an iPad, a laptop, and it's got lots of pockets apparently. It's got some on the side, it's got a charging, little kind of shielded charging thing, so you can put your battery in there and plug straight into it. Ah, that's quite nice. It's supposed to be water resistant as well. What does the tag say? Beyle. Fabric in fabric and fabric. It's made in Shenzhen, along with everything else. Let's have a look. Sales instructions. Rubbish. It's not washable, non-bleach, hanging dry, non-ironing, non-dry cleaning. Wipe with a wet cloth, clean, dry, do not brush, do not bask. I don't know what basking is. Well, that's nice. Don't know if it'll make to a full review, but it's a nice bag. A bit small. What does it look like on? Oh, it's like a one shoulder thing, so go with which shoulder? Oh. Is it a bit girly? I don't know. I don't know. It does feel a bit like a bum bag. But it feels very water resistant actually. Maybe you can take this underwater. Question to be answered in a review probably. Right, okay. Last box, and the biggest. Now, you all saw me do a review of a standing desk not too long ago. Well, another company called Flexispot? Well, I don't know what they're called. This company here said they do one cheaper than the last one I looked at, because the last one was very expensive. It was like £300. So this one, I think, is only about 150 or there or thereabouts. So it's a bit cheaper. And let's see if being half the price is half the quality. Right, okay. Right, this isn't going to work. I'll have to do this down here. Right. And if anyone is wondering, these desks seem to be very, very heavy indeed. These standing desks. Right, I'll have to bring this over here because I've not got any room. Oh God! My bottom has knocked off the audio. Yeah. Right, stay there. Come on. Boxes, I hate boxes. That's not good. Okay, here we go. Okay. I'll put this on there because I know what happened last time and it all fell off. So there we go. How does this work then? There's a button there. Here. Button hit. Oh. What's that do? Hold on a minute. I've got this the wrong way round. Okay, so how does this work? This has, rather than grips on the, oh it does, what's that? What does that do? Oh God! There's buttons on here, I don't know what they do. What does that do? Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Well that's cool. This seems to go a lot higher than the, I'm just going to put that there. This seems to go a lot, oh God. I hadn't planned for this. I hadn't planned for this at all. So it seems to go a lot higher than the Varidesk, possibly a little bit more violently as well. And there's a warning on here, it says hands pinching. Do not place your hand near the strut. Strut angle will change during the desktop lifts and it may hurt you. Good warning signs. Right, how do I get it back down? Push. Okay, it's not quite as nice to go down as the Varidesk, but it fulfills a very similar purpose indeed. Bloody hell, I'm not. Well, I am out of breath and out of boxes. I probably won't open something quite as big as that on camera again because that was absolutely difficult in this tiny office space that I've got right here. I didn't want to knock my lamp or this off, even though I ended up knocking that off, but that was very difficult indeed. Now, as I said, I hope you've enjoyed this first episode. Just seeing what might be coming up in the next episode of Stu's Reviews or the next couple of episodes of Stu's Reviews. And as I said again at the beginning, if you like the look of anything or you definitely want to see a review of anything that you've seen today, leave a comment in the comment section below because I'll take a look at that and I will listen to what you want to see. Guys, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I'll see you back for another episode of Stu's Reviews soon. What a rubbish cap.